So this morning I am not that hungry, so I'm gonna put the rest of this coffee into this bigger cup, add some ice. And then one of these Premier protein shakes that I really like. I haven't had one in a long time, but I just feel like drinking this morning instead of having breakfast. And it's really good. So this is technically my first coffee today because Derek did bring it to me in bed, but I felt like I was just snoozing a little bit, so I didn't end up drinking it. So then when that happens, I just bring it out and microwave it again. Or not again, but I microwave it. And this frother is linked in my Amazon favorites. I love it. I love the color. It's really cute. And it works really well for collagen, or if you just wanted to like froth the milk that you put in or whatever. So for my morning snack, I have a little bit of plain Greek yogurt with some cinnamon and some cut up apples. And there's some protein and fruit in there. It's really good. So today I'm having a lazy lunch. I'm having ham, these beet crackers from Costco, and a guac. And tonight we're having chicken tacos, so I think we're gonna eat half of this now and then the other half later. Okay, I just finished a workout and poured another cup of coffee, and I still have a little bit more. Derek made a huge pot this morning, so I still have a bit more to drink, but I wanted to show you this cute workout top that I got off Amazon. It was $20, and the color is gorgeous, and it has a built-in bra, so you don't have to wear like anything underneath, and it's a little bit longer, which is nice, and I love it so much. I love the color. It's beautiful and super, super comfy. It made me feel like a badass fitness queen when I was wearing it, so it's always a good thing. So something that I've noticed about myself is that if I buy like celery like this, and then I don't cut it up, I won't eat it because I'm just lazy. And I think it's important to notice these things, so then that's some way that you can kind of prepare and help yourself. So I'm gonna just take it. I know it took me like a couple days to do this, but I'm just gonna take like a few minutes and just cut it up so that it's ready for however I want to eat it, and then I am about 80% more likely to actually eat it when it's already cut up like this, and then I can just grab it out of here and kind of snack on it. And I'm gonna put it all in this container, and that is just something that I have to kind of suck up and do, or else my vegetables, and this happens to me with berries also, they go bad. So that is what I'm doing right now. And let me know if you are the same way, because I encourage you to just do it. It literally takes 2 minutes, but I know the thought of it is kind of dreading. I'm gonna steal some. So for lunch today, I'm just keeping it simple with some tuna. And I haven't had tuna in a while, but I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper. And then mix it up, and then I'm gonna be putting it on a rice cake with some guac on it. I'm just gonna use a bit of this, and then I'll put it in the fridge for later. Probably eat it with dinner. So I'm just gonna put a layer of that on there. And this guac is so good. And then a layer of tuna. That's okay if it overflows, because I'll probably just eat it with a fork. And then I'm gonna throw some everything bagel seasoning on there. This looks so good. If you don't like tuna, you probably think this is gross, but if you do, you know. Okay, so here is our king bed. I love it. I'm obsessed. And it's just got all the barnboard going down vertically, along with up here it has the same thing. And then these sheets are from Wayfair, and I love the look of them. I love the color. And then the underneath sheets are from Wayfair, and then we got 4 king pillows. So these 2 are from Costco, and then those 2 are from Amazon, and I'm just obsessed with it. It was so nice and it's so comfy, and having a king bed is 100% a game changer. So we wanted enough room for Ruger's bed, so he sleeps there, and then it didn't leave a lot of room on the other side, but that's okay because I'll just crawl over here. Okay, so my husband volunteered me to make chocolate chip cookies for him and his coworker, and I haven't made them in a long time, so I was like, why not? So this is like the best cookie recipe, and instead of butter it uses well, it says vegetable oil, but I like to use coconut oil, and it turns out so good. They're really, really good. So I will show you how I make them. First, you want to preheat the oven to 350, and then we're gonna get a cup of coconut oil melted, and then you mix together your brown and white sugar. So we're gonna do half a cup of white sugar, and then a whole cup of brown sugar, and my coconut oil is just in the microwave. And then I'm going to use the beaters to beat this. So then I'm going to beat in 1 egg at a time vanilla. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of vanilla, and then 2 eggs. So then we're gonna add in 2.5 cups of flour. I'm just gonna kind of mix this as I'm adding it. So that's 2. Flour is so messy. Like, I feel like no matter what I try to do, it literally gets everywhere. 2.5. And then we're gonna add in some baking soda, and I think baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Oh no, just soda, and then salt, and then you're ready to add your chocolate chips. It's that easy. Then 1 cup of chocolate chips. Obviously you can add however many you want, but I've added 1 cup before and it worked out nice. Look at this dough. Oh my gosh, it's so like oily and like turns out so nice. Such a good recipe. They look so good. Like, look at that. Oh my god. So then what I like to do is, this was a tablespoon. I think that's a little bit too big. So I'm gonna take half a tablespoon and put it on here. Okay, that one didn't work out as good, but those are definitely, I think, too big. Is there like a 3/4 one here? No. Then, like, this is a lot of dough, so usually what I do is I either bake them all and then freeze them, or what you can do is freeze the cookie dough in like little circles like this in a container. That works out well too. And then you're gonna put them in for 10 to 12 minutes. And here they are. They come out clean. And they come out really light colored, and then you just let them set for a bit, but I stuck a fork in and they were clean, so they're ready, and then you enjoy because they're so good. So I just cut up all these sweet potatoes and put garlic, chili powder, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna throw some baby Brussels sprouts on the tray and then add our pork chops. So this is what we're working with. I showed these in my Costco haul yesterday or the day before. And like I said, these are big, so usually I have half, so then we have leftovers. Here is dinner, and it looks really good.